There's a new Tello EDU and Talent firmware version 0.2.05.01.19, dated on May 7, 2022. It's recommended to update drone's firmware for bug fixed and performance improvement. At first, for Tello Talent drone, the Wi-Fi switch must be set in phone Wi-Fi direct connection position as shown above. Fully charged battery should be used. We're going to use the Tello app, having black icon for firmware upgrade and Wi-Fi password update. The Tello EDU app can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play Store depending on your phone OS. In this tutorial, the Android app is used. After installation is done, open the Tello EDU app, then power on your drone. During the app installation, the latest firmware will be downloaded automatically to be ready. For a new drone, Wi-Fi password is blank, known as Open Network by default. When the device is connected to the drone, it may indicate an unsecured connection. We'll change this later by setting a password for the drone. In the available Wi-Fi name list, there's name with prefix of Tello or RMTT. Please click on it to establish a Wi-Fi direct connection. Wait for a moment until the connected message appear. Please note that there won't be any available internet whether secured or unsecured for direct connection. At this point, if the Tello app doesn't automatically launch the firmware update, press the third gear icon to enter the Tello app configuration mode. Select more, then press the three-dot button for next page. The current firmware version in the drone appears here. Press the update button for Tello app, start checking and updating if needed. Press the update button again to confirm. It'll return quickly if the current firmware is up to date. Otherwise, the updating message will appear to wait for it to complete. It may take few minutes to finish. Upon the completion, the drone will be reset and turn off automatically. Please power on the drone and make a Wi-Fi direct connection again. You may choose to launch a quick takeoff and landing test, to confirm the drone is working after having firmware upgraded, before going to the next step. We now about to change the password. Please press the gear icon to enter the Tello app configuration mode. The select Wi-Fi button to enter SSID and password section. Please keep the SSID the same by default and enter a new password. Please record down both of them for a record. The default Wi-Fi name or SSID will remain the same after being reset. This helps you to track your assets. After changing the password, the Tello app will update the drone memory, its drone to phone Wi-Fi connection information, disconnect the Wi-Fi connection and turn the drone off. Please note, there'll be a quick message of password successfully saved appearing briefly before the drone turned off. It should automatically reboot and LED will be blinking. If not, please manually power on the drone to make a Wi-Fi connection. This time when choosing the drone SSID for Wi-Fi connection, the phone or PC will ask for entering a password. This is a good sign to confirm a successful password update. Please enter the password, choose Auto Reconnect for the next time and hit Next or Connect to make a secured connection. Similarly, when we connect this drone to a PC for use with the Education Hub the first time, we will need to enter the password to connect. A secured connection is now indicated. For the new Wi-Fi connection, there won't be any open or unsecured connection message anymore. It is now a secured Wi-Fi communication between the phone and the drone. Since the drone is not an internet router, we expect that the connection is without internet. If you want to remove the password for some reason, please use either the same phone or a PC being worked with. To follow the same process except to use the backspace or delete key to remove the password. The Tello app with update the memory without a Wi-Fi password. In the case of losing the Wi-Fi network connection, an old password is not recognized by the drone anymore, a hard reset must be done with the following steps. Power on the Tello drone. Observe the LED as blinking as indicating drone is on state. Press and hold the power button while drone is still on for about 5 to 8 seconds until the LED goes off, then the drone would reboot automatically. Release the button. After being reset, drone SSID will have a prefix of Tello followed by 5 alphanumeric characters and the password will be blank. This is the default setting. After all, we have achieved our goal, to have the drone's latest firmware updated and a secured wireless communication between the host controller to our drones. Let's have a quick view of our drone flying. Wish you enjoy your drones. This concludes the tutorial. Thanks for watching.